water in your belly. When are you going to
wait? Somebody go and wake those people sleeping. You have slept enough. It's enough. This is 5 a.m. in the morning. What's happening? Go and wake them. Find out everywhere they're hiding. Wake them up. How can you sleep? Can you sleep from 12 to 5? What's wrong with you? It's your destiny under attack. Even if the person is young, wake the person. Wake the person. Even if it's my mother, wake my mother. She has slept enough. Look for my baby. Wake my baby. We are in the midst of something strong. This is when strong men need to arise. You need to feel what I'm feeling. You need to enter there. Listen to me. This is when men of prayer are known. We don't pray by physical strength. We pray by a garment. Give ear, O four winds of the earth. The sons of God are here. Let our voice thunder. Let the constellation hear us. Let the stars and the moon stand still in the valley of Ajalon. It is time for heaven to have the victory. Let the warriors of heaven arise. Let the mighty men, let them come to war. Let them beat their plowshares into swords, their pruning hooks into spears. For the time of war has arrived. Put on strength. Give yourself, almighty men of Zion. There is a call, I can hear it. There is a call, a call, a call. The land call it, Nigeria call it, Africa call it. Where is the man? Where is the man, Bulldozer?